It was an excellent experience. Their customer service is exceptional, and they follow up when they say they're going to follow up, and we really enjoy the product. It's something worth investing in, and we feel better about our home in terms of future storms and stuff like that, as well as also energy conservation. We've noticed a significant improvement in cooling. We have some dogs in the backyard behind ours, and we don't hear them at night anymore. Typically, we would hear them every night, but I haven't noticed them lately, which is great. They were excellent. They communicated very well, so much so that not that we forgot, but they were quick with the follow-up, and they just responded well if there were any issues or concerns.